I do have a couple of packages to open up today, so let's just unbox them and see what do we have in here. Stay tuned after this intro. Alright, what's going on guys, and welcome again to another video. Let me just get my scissor and try to unbox the first one package that we have here today. Honestly, I have no idea what do we have here. I bought a couple of fragrances and I don't know which one is which. So let's just see what do we have here. I haven't actually smelled any of these fragrances that I bought. All of them was blind buy, mostly like clone fragrances. But I'm curious to see what's going on. And this box, it's hefty, and I'm patient. I'm patient, dude. I just wanna undress this baby ASAP. Oh, that's a big box. Oh. The new Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux. I've heard a lot of good things about this one and I was just curious. It's a clone of Absolu Creed Aventus, the new black one. It's a great fragrance, but it just costs an arm and a leg. And I've heard this one similar. And I've heard this one it's pretty close to Absolu Creed Aventus. So let's just unbox this baby out. It's actually a funky, nice, cool unboxing box, whatever the case may be. Oh, and even it's got another box in there, and it's kind of like rubbery in a way. This is in front of the camera, so forgive me if I stutter. Oh, this is really cool actually. You see these buttons right here? It's a really, really cool rubbery sleeve. Oh my God, a box after a box after a box. This packaging, it's special. It's crazy good for being a clone fragrance. And the bottle also, it's magnificent. Oh my God, I'm loving how chic that bottle is. This is some great stuff, guys. Oh my goodness, is that a cap? Yes, it is a cap. The cap clicks into place. You can grab it from it, but I wouldn't recommend it because it's not really as sturdy. But it's a good, like, high-end metal cap. I'm really loving this packaging, this bottle. Oh my God. I'm not gonna even throw away that box that came in it because that box, it's magnificent. Great, great packaging, Armaf. And for like what, $60 or so? For 55 ml, so it is on the pricier side than the regular Armafs. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down in price with time, but this packaging actually totally worth it. And hopefully the fragrance is good as well. So let's just do the honors and the first impressions. I'm just gonna spray it on my hand because I am that curious. Sprayer is small but good. It smells amazing from distance and I can tell it is beast mode. Literally, I sprayed like what, 3-4 sprays. Look how wet my hand is, and I don't really need to get closer to be able to smell it. And I can already smell it from distance and it smells amazing. Oh my God. This is a home run. This is a home run. Possibly this could be my best purchase of the year. And it's a clone fragrance. I'm not even exaggerating. And I bought a lot of stuff this year. I'm not even kidding. Oh my God, the pineapple note is so juicy, so fresh, so invigorating, so effervescent. The dark nuances is from a higher quality. It's just overall a higher end smelling fragrance that it smells overall exactly like Absolu Creed Aventus. This is still a first impressions. I don't know what's gonna happen afterwards, but so far out of this very first initial spray, oh my God. First of all, it is stronger than Absolu Aventus for sure. It definitely projects more. And it feels a little bit thicker. I'm not sure though. I need to respray Absolu Aventus and this one side by side to be able to judge him based off that. But so far, it's magnificent. I can pick up the sweetness from the caramel with the pineapple here. I don't know what else to tell you. This is a home run in terms of quality, in terms of smell, in terms of class, in terms of compliments. I'm pretty sure this one will get compliments. It is just fantastic based off this very initial spray and this very first impressions. This is a home run. For real though. And look how gorgeous that bottle is from the sides. Can you tell? This is gorgeous. I'm loving this. I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. Let's do the other unboxing on a separate video because this one deserves to have its own video on its own. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think of Armaf La Nuit de... No, what? Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think of Armaf Club de Nuit Precieux. It is precious. Précieux means precious in France and in French. I don't know what to say. I'm overly excited. And this is just fantastic. I'm telling you guys, this is the best blind buy of the year for me personally. Yet. Let me know again in the comment section down below what do you think of La Nuit de l'Homme, not La Nuit de l'Homme, Club de Nuit and Club de Nuit, Armaf Club de Nuit Précieux. I don't know what to say. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, do all the good stuff. And let me just do the other unboxing, and let's just see what do we have in there. Would it even be better than this one? Let's see. I don't know, but I'm curious.